Welcome to our fluted panels installation guide. You will be needing the following tools shown on the screen to complete your fluted wall panels project. Before starting the wall panel, make sure the wall is flat. Install the first wall panel. Fix the panel with an air nail gun. Make sure the panel is aligned properly, then start adding steel clips by holding a part of the panel. Add more clips as you go along. Spacing between each nail is approximately 14 inches. Repeat the process by adding new panels. Install the last wall panel in the corner by cutting it accordingly. Cut off the excess wall panel after measuring. Install the wall panel and fix it. Make sure the distance between each panel is 14 inches. Put the glue on the corner trim. Install the corner trim on top of the corner. Fix and adjust the corner trim to complete the installation. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality with fluted panels for interiors and exteriors at The Wall Therapy, a brand of Trident Group of companies specializing in transforming walls and ceilings for residential and commercial projects.